Hey, I'm not just some random baby with opinions. I got a team. And we tested the top 3 car seats, Graco, Nuna, and Britax, like our nap schedule depended on it. We went deep. Crash test results, safety reports, real parent forums, best of lists, even those scary Facebook groups. This review, it's backed by more research than your last car purchase. Let's break it down.
First, Graco. Here's what didn't impress us. The padding's pretty basic, not exactly built for long naps, and it's not the safest seat out there. The crash test scores were just okay, and long-term, it's not bad for the early years in the rear-facing till 50 pounds, forward you till 65. But after that, guess who's car seat shopping again? But hey, some pros too. It's affordable. Like, still had money left for groceries affordable. The install's beginner-friendly, and yeah, the dual cup holders are basically VIP seating for my juice box. Verdict? If you need something now and cheap, it'll do. But don't expect 5-star nap rating or fortress-level safety. 3 out of 5 nap stars. Okay, so Nuna RAVA. Let's start with the cons. It's expensive, like, say goodbye college fund pricey. It's also heavy, so good luck hauling it to grandma's. Installation? Somewhere between building IKEA furniture and defusing a bomb. Now the pros, and there are a few. It's insanely comfy, like napping on a baby cloud. The fabric? Blanky level cozy. Reclining in this thing. Instant chill mode. And it reclines so smoothly, I almost forgot I'm in a moving vehicle. The crash test ratings? Top notch. In independent crash tests, Nuna RAVA slightly scored highest in frontal crash scenarios. Sounds like a win, right? But here's the catch. Nuna is harder to install correctly. Install it wrong? Might as well toss that safety rating out the window. And less adaptable for growing kids. No booster mode. Verdict? If your family's into clean ingredients, designer everything, and timeless neutral style, Nuna's your vibe.
No way.
Just hope someone else installs it. Now, Britax. Cons? Sure, it's not small, but unlike Nuna, I've actually got room to stretch. And it's not the cheapest. But for the build, safety, and comfort, it earns its price tag. That's it. That's all I got. Now the good stuff. Crash test performance? Elite. Steel frame, side impact protection, the whole 9. And ClickTight means I'm locked and safe. And no one had a meltdown during install. Win-win. Even reviewers who struggle with car seats call it a game changer. And it grows with me. Infant to big kid. It's literally the one for life, like the name says. Trust me. The team at Parent Picks lives for this stuff. I just reap the cozy, safe benefits. Yep, Britax is the one. Boom.